So get this, that school bus that I missed ended up going right off a cliff. So that is why to this day, this is my lucky hat.
Wow, crazy story. Okay, this is me. The bathroom's just down there.
Great. Man, this place is super clean.
That's the thing about New York apartments. They may be small, but that just makes them easier to tidy up.
I guess that's true. And, you know, I would be so much happier if I just didn't let things get me mad all the time. Like you. I mean, yesterday, that gross construction worker started whistling at you. You could have gotten angry, but instead you just said,
A whistle's a song, no matter who's making it.
That's right. You know, Tanya, from now on, I'm gonna try to be more like you.
A whistle's a song, no matter who's making it. What's a couple minutes more on a beautiful day like today? Oh, don't worry about that. No biggie. No biggie. No biggie. Oh darn, I always leave the fridge open.
Tanya, what the f***?
I know, I go through so much milk.
Tanya, you said you didn't let rude people make you mad.
Well, maybe I did, just a little, but I sure showed them, didn't I?
Why did you kill them?
It all started when I was a little girl.
What?
A rude New Yorker killed my mom.
What?
My mom.
Oh boy, Phantom is great. I'm so glad we got to come to the big city and see it before it closed. Aren't you, sweetie?
I sure am. Mom, could I get a hot dog?
Sure, honey. I love you. Hiya! One hot dog, please.
Yeah? Giuseppe, ketchup.
Oh, that looks delicious. Oh, thank you so much. Hey, that's my hot dog.
Hey, you snooze, you lose, babe.
What? I've never even heard that before. What? Ah, my eyes! My eyes! Jesus, my eyes! Here we
Dude, I'm gonna throw this penny up the Empire State Building. Do it!
It was then I decided that every rude New Yorker I encountered would have to pay for the way my mother died.
Wow, that is f***ed up.
Now you understand.
I guess, but I mean, Tanya, you can't go around killing people.
Why? 'Cause murder's wrong?
Yeah, but more importantly, the people you're killing had nothing to do with what happened. I mean, you can't punish an entire city for something one rude guy did in the 1990s.
One rude guy and a punk.
And a curb and two assholes on a roof. I know, I heard the story. But Tanya, those people didn't do this. Are you hearing what I'm saying?
I think so. You think I should have only killed those who were directly responsible?
Close enough.
Wow. Jason, I never thought of it that way. I'm gonna go make some cheesy potatoes for me and my best friend.
Giuseppe, look at what you done. That woman was the fourth person to die because you put too much ketchup on.
Whatever, Dad. I do what I want.
Giuseppe.
I told you before. My name is Jason now.
Giuseppe, no, I'm sorry.
To this day, this is my lucky hat. Is my lucky hat. Is my lucky hat. Is my lucky hat. Is my lucky hat.